National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, until 12:30 p.m. At 11:48 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots over Mayo. This thunderstorm was nearly stationary. This thunderstorm will be near Severn River, Greenberry Point. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots. Locally high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.
At 11 a.m. at Eton, Maryland, it was cloudy.